Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The chapter name is States of Matter, and this chapter is not included at now in the chapter of class 11 syllabus in chemistry. But we have to read this chapter on the basis of entrance examination, such as for, NEET, and JEE. So today we are going to start with the gas laws. Starting from gas laws, I should tell you that in order to know a basics of this chapter, you should go and have a brief reading, or not a brief reading. I can say a rough reading on the account of pressure, temperature, volume, and pressure, temperature, volume is the basic thing which we should know in order to term and know for gas laws. So starting from gas laws, here we should remember B, C and G. That is, in examination, if you remember this B, C, G, where T, P, V, that is, these are constant. These are constant, and here the variable of it. So here we have started about the gas laws from the chapter States of Matter Chemistry. Here, in order to know about this gas laws, we should remember the starting thing B, C, G, where there are some constant, that is T, P, V. Here I can say that T is the meaning as temperature, P is the pressure, and V is the volume. These are the basic terms which we should know before starting this chapter, that is to be known as states of matter. Here, these are the constant in these things. These are three laws, that is, this is Boyle's law, this is Charles' law, and this is Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law. That is, in order to know a basic shortcut to remember this, that is BCG, where T, P, V are constants. That is, temperature is constant, pressure is constant, here volume is constant. So here the variable is what? Here the pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Here the pressure is constant, that is, here the temperature is directly proportional to volume. Here since the volume is constant, that is, the temperature is directly proportional to the pressure. This is the way we can remember this laws. That is, what is Boyle's law? Boyle's law is that where the temperature is constant and pressure is directly proportional to inversely proportional to volume. Here in Charles' law, pressure is constant, temperature is directly proportional to volume, and here volume is constant where temperature is directly proportional to pressure. Now, talking about this, we should get the formulas, that is laws and formulas. Laws and formulas. First, Charles' law. Not starting from Charles' law, actually starts from Boyle's law. Boyle's law, then Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law, number 4, combined law. And number 5, which is the main thing in this chapter which we are going to do it, that is ideal gas equation. First, Boyle's law, as we can see here, it is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Talking about Charles' law, it is V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. Gay-Lussac's law, P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2. Combined law, that is combination of both of this, that would be P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 T2 V2 by T2. And the final one, that is the ideal gas equation, known as PV is equal to nRT. Pressure, volume, temperature, two new things have been coming out, that is number of molecules and R is the Raoult's law, that we are going to have the Raoult's constant. This table you can note it down for your further reference so that you are able to learn it. Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law, combined law, and this is the ideal gas equation. From this, it is very easy to learn and remember those old formulas from which we will be able to solve the various questions which are going to come in the examination. For this video was only for your re-nourishment of your mind in order to remember the Gay-Lussac's law formula, the Charles law, the Boyle's laws formula. That is totally on the gas laws formulas, so that you are very easily able to answer those questions by remembering those formulas by this pattern. Thank you and have a very nice day.